DIY Fairy Garden Thursday. Hi, I'm Sharon, and my YouTube channel is Sharon Schornagel, and I welcome you all to my channel. And this is DIY Fairy Garden Thursday, and it is hosted by Grandma Sandy, and she has co-hosts. And the co-hosts are Sandy Lynn, Home and Garden, and Barbara Daly, Rural Life in the Valley, and myself, Sharon Schornagel. Well, I got the swing all painted, and now I am going to take it outside and spray it with some shellac lacquer so it's easy to clean. Well, the swing is drying because I took it out and sprayed it with lacquer. And now I'm going to start a teacup. And the teacup fairy garden is always one of my favorites. And I'm just going to put a little foam in there. And I'm going to put some moss on top. And anyhow, I have glued the teacup to the saucer. And I'm just going to let you sit back and watch while I build this teacup. Well, I put a wire that has leaves on in there to make a pretty arch for the fairy to sit under. And it works really well. Embellishing the little arch with pink flowers. And there are pink flowers on the cup, so I think this matches very well. Well, I hope you're enjoying this little video, and I would like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. It is free. And if you like this content, give me a thumbs up and say hello and tell me, are you making any fairy gardens this summer? It's a popular thing to do. As you can see, I have got moss all around where on the saucer where the teacup is. And the arch is all done, and now I'm looking for a little friend to sit with the fairy. And I have chosen a little pig, and I think he is just adorable. So now she has a little friend. Pink mushroom. Looks a big pink mushroom. Well, we found a lovely pink mushroom to stick in the back of the teacup, and it worked great and filled it in very, very nice. Okay, now the swing is all dry and we're going to put the little fairy on. So there she is. We're just gonna glue her right onto the swing. And then I am going to add a few little characters to sit beside her. And I've chosen a little bunny who is very, very cute. And I've chosen a little frog. And he is also very sweet. And the third little character is going to be a little sheep, a little lamb. And they're all going to enjoy the harp music. So there they are, all sitting on the swing. Okay, I decided that our little swing needed some leaves and a vine on it, so I took that same wire with the leaves and the wire that I used in the teacup, and I put it along the top of the swing set, and I think that worked very, very well. So let's see what else we do. And now I'm putting some flowers on it to embellish it and make it look more like it should go in a fairy garden, or it could just sit alone as a decoration. So I think the purple and white flowers are very pretty. And the last little touch is a little bird. And the bird is green and gray, and I think he looks just sweet sitting up there on the swing. And I think that's a great addition to this fairy garden or fairy decoration. So there it's all done and looks really, really sweet. Well, those are my 2 fairy gardens for this week, and I hope you enjoyed them. Bye!